Apologies for that oversight. Let's expand on the content to meet the desired word count. In the bustling smartphone market, few can rival Samsung's reputation for crafting top-tier devices. The upcoming Unpacked hardware event, slated to unveil the Galaxy S24 series, has been preceded by a flurry of leaks, offering a comprehensive sneak peek into the highly anticipated flagships. While artificial intelligence (AI) is anticipated to be a key focus, recent reports from Android headlines suggest that Samsung might spring another software surprise. According to the exclusive information, Samsung is contemplating an impressive extension of software support to 7 years for the new Galaxy flagships. While the precise nature of this support, whether it pertains to security patches or comprehensive Android and One UI updates, remains unconfirmed, the potential ramifications are monumental. This revelation echoes Google's groundbreaking announcement during the Pixel 8 launch, where they committed to 7 years of software and security updates, potentially setting a new industry standard for Android devices. As enthusiasts eagerly await official confirmation, speculation lingers on whether this extended support will also encompass preceding flagship models like the Galaxy S23 series and the Galaxy Z Fold 5/Z Flip 5. Sammobile posits that Samsung might adhere to its historical pattern of incorporating the previous flagship in such updates. Additionally, the report hints at Samsung offering the Galaxy AI features at no cost until at least 2025, with the intriguing possibility of a subsequent introduction of a paywall for these capabilities from 2026 onward. Despite Samsung's concerted efforts to maintain secrecy, leaks have inundated the internet in recent weeks, divulging marketing materials that illuminate every facet from the materials used in the new flagships to the AI-driven camera functionalities. Concurrently, Samsung is enticing early adopters with pre-reservation options for the Galaxy S24, sweetening the deal with a $50 credit for accessories when purchased through Samsung.com. The anticipation is palpable as the stage is set for the grand unveiling of the Galaxy S24 on Wednesday. Peace out.